Hi, welcome back. So we had to enter those stock details, and let's now start by opening the tally right here. Go to Alt W, select company. Right here you can see it is not asking for tally vault password. Instead it is asking us to select various companies that are in the tally. Beyond Milky Way is our company, right? Space, enter. Okay, so now we have the gateway of tally. Now let's blindly follow the instruction. What is it telling us? Activate the following options in inventory features. F11, integrate accounts and inventory. Yes. Okay. So where is F11? Right here is F11. Okay. So I'll just press F11. F11, where are you? F11. Okay. It says right here accounting features and inventory features. Then does it say what do we have to do? Okay, go to inventory features, right? Inventory features are right here. Go to inventory features, and that is I. Okay, now it is asking us to integrate accounts and inventory. Yes, we have to say yes to this. Integrate accounts and inventory. Yes, as it is already yes, so we need to have any change. Enter. The second one is maintain stock categories. Yes. Maintain multiple go downs. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we are also going to create a go down in which we are going to hold our stock. Okay, so maintain multiple go downs. Hit Y, enter Y to yes. Okay, you can just hit Y for yes. Okay, so let's try and hit Y, enter. Maintain stock categories. Yes, enter. Okay, is there anything else is changed? Maintain stock categories. Yes. Maintain multiple go down. Yes. Okay, so this one is done right now, and yeah, keep on entering, or you can just hit Control A. Yes. Okay, so that feature is now added to tally, and we can now create our own stock categories and stock go downs. The second point right here is create the following stock group. Okay, so this is the first time that we are creating a stock group, and the stock group is created by inventory info only, hence I. Okay, I'll hit I. Stock groups for G, the first one right here, you can see this one. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay, so stock groups G. Okay, okay, now let's hit stock groups, enter, and yeah, create. Okay, enter C, create. Okay, so what was the name of the stock group? Yeah, it says right here the instruction gateway of tally, inventory info, stock group, and then create. There are two stock groups that need to be created. One is audio, under the head primary. Can quantities be of item be added? Okay, yes. One is audio, under the head primary. Should quantities of item be added? Hit Y, enter, accept. Another group is video, primary. Should quantities be added? Y, okay, yes. Now you can hit escape or control M. Okay, so yes, escape, come to the gateway of tally back again. Now it is asking us to create the following stock categories. How to create stock categories? That is, go to gateway of tally, inventory info, stock categories. Okay, let's see if there is such option. Inventory info, stock categories. Okay, right here you can see this one, this tab right here. Okay, this says stock categories, and you can press C for stock categories. Okay, so I'll choose stock categories. I'll create, and what are the stock categories that we need to create? Input device primary and output device primary. Input device. Okay, it is our primary stock, and the second one is output device. Enter primary, is it? Okay, yes, yes, okay. I'll escape and then go to gateway of tele and then read the third instruction. Create the following units: gateway of tally, inventory info, units of measure. Okay, we have created units before, so it is not a big thing for us. Gateway of tally, inventory info, unit of measure. Gateway inventory info, units of measure, create. Okay, symbol is PCS, pieces. Formal name is pieces. Okay, enter, accepted. It is created. Let's go to gateway of tally again and create the following go down. The go down is at gateway of tele, inventory info, go downs, Sri Harikota, address is Sri Harikota, Tada. Okay, so inventory info, right here you can see go downs. Okay, so D is the hotkey for go downs, or you can just navigate because we won't be creating go down every day. Hence go downs. Okay, create, name is Sri Hari. What's the name? Sri Harikota. Okay, Sri Harikota. Alias is nothing. Okay, go down is, it's a primary go down, right? Primary, our stock with third party stock with us. Okay, as nothing is identified, so let it be as it is only. Accept. Okay, as you can see display, there is a go down named Sri Harikota. Okay, and yeah, coming back to gateway of tally again. So we have these stock items that need to be created, and yeah, you know how to create a stock item. Inventory info, stock item is the third one, that is I. Okay, stock items, create. Yeah, hence you can create all these stock items, and now as you can see it will ask you various options. So let's start by creating the first stock item. Mini size TV, video, output device, Sriharikota, 400 piece, 1800, 7,20,000. Okay, let's see. Let me guide you once again how to create a stock item. Just in case you are in doubt, go to inventory info, I. Okay, and then go to stock items right here. Again, I. Okay, we have created stock groups, we have created stock categories, we have created units of measure, we have created go downs, and only this one is left, so we are going to create this one now, that is by the help of I. Well, you can just navigate because these are something that we are not going to use occasionally, hence we don't need to learn their hotkeys. Create. Okay, and even if you can't remember the hotkey, you can just watch the highlighted red letter. Okay, so the first one is mini size TV. Mini size TV. Okay, TV. Okay, sir. Enter, enter. Now, as you can see, it will ask you all these details. The previous stock items that we created, these details were inactive. Hence, as you have made and entered all these categories, groups, and units, it will ask you. It is under the head. It is under the category of video. It is under the head. It is under the group video. Okay. Now this category is output device. Okay. Units is pieces. Okay, go down is not being asked, so yeah, that's okay for us. We don't have to worry about it. Rate of duty is none, enter, and quantity is 400 pieces. Okay, now is it asking for go down? As soon as you enter the quantity, it is asking list of go downs. Where is it? It is at Sri Harikota go down, 400 pieces. Rate is 1800. It will automatically bring per piece, and yeah, because the unit that we selected was piece, yes, enter. Okay, now you know how to create these stock items with all these details, so let's carry forward quickly. Tape recorders, group is audio, category is input, go down is Sri Harikota 74 into 12,000, it is equal to 8,88,000. Okay, tape recorders, okay, under the head audio, right? Category is input device, and units is pieces. It is asking all these because we have already decided and made all these groups, categories and units. As soon as you enter quantity, it will ask you where, in which godown is it located. Okay, 74, enter. Main location is a default godown, and Sri Harikota is a godown that we created. Sri Harikota, enter. 74 pieces. What is the rate of one piece? That is 12,000. Okay, so 74 into 12,000, it will automatically multiply, except yes. Video cassettes, video output device, okay, video cassettes. So this is everything that we have in our opening stock. Okay, as I skipped the under part, I'll just click on shift tab. Okay, shift tab to shift plus tab to go to the previous tab. Okay, hence I'll just press shift plus tab. Okay, shift tab. The this one is video cassettes is video, and category is output device, I guess. Where are you? Output device, pieces, rate of duty is none, quantity is 1000. So this is everything that will be shown where in the opening stock. Okay, that is when we entered all these details in the tally, we had such and such openings. Sri Harikota is our go down, rate is 140 per piece, hence 1,40,000. Yes, accept. Okay, northern stereo, northern stereos, northern stereos. Okay, it is audio, right? And it is an input device, pieces. Okay, 80, 3800. 80, Sri Harikota is our go down, and 3800 is per piece charge. Okay, enter, yes. So as you can right here see that when we create a ledger, it asks for us opening balance, and when we create a stock item, it will also ask us for opening balance. If you have nothing, that is, if some item is purchased for the first time, you don't have to put anything right here. Okay, you just need to create a stock item. Okay, so that, which one was it? Northern Stereos was created, Northern Color TV. Okay, this one right here, right? Northern Color TVs. Northern Color TVs, where are you? Northern Color TV, enter under the head video, right? Output device, pieces. So you don't have to worry about what video output device and what Sri Harikota and what Northern Color TV is, because this is how the company works. We don't have to care about it. 43 pieces, and at the rate of, okay, shift Sri Harikota, shift plus tab to go to the previous tab, and 11,500 is okay. So this is quite expensive, 4,94,000. Okay, so now we have entered all these. I hope that opening stock, that was, this was our balance sheet, right? This was the capital plus liability side, and this was the asset side. As a stock, is an asset, and we have increased the stock by 25. What was the amount? 25, 45, 800, right? 25, 45, 800. Hence this balance sheet should be now tallied. Okay, hence this side will be equal to this side. Okay, let's check out if this has happened or not. Escape, 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 go to balance sheet, enter. Okay, so we have difference in opening balance, that is 700. And yeah, let's check out this issue. As this side is more, so let's check out the difference. So it should be the difference in stock item only, because the previous balance was 25 lakh 45,800. And yeah, we have adjusted all those entries. So go to how to do it, inventory info, I. Okay, this time we don't have to alter anything, hence we will just go to stock items right here. Okay, how to go to stock items and stock items. Okay, and now you can just go to stock items. Okay, you can just go to display, so that you cannot, you just see everything right here, and you cannot change anything right here. You can also not create, it will not let you change. Okay, because this is just a display column. Display, enter. Okay, which group are we into? Okay, we have entered the this one, display right here. Okay, so mini size TV, what's the value of mini size TV? 7,20,000. Okay, northern color TV 494. Okay, so this one is an issue, hence we made a wrong entry in northern color TV. Escape, escape. How to change it? Go to alter right here in the stock item group. Okay, alter, enter, northern color TV. And what is the issue? 43 pieces. Okay, so is it correct? 43 pieces into 11,500. Okay, just a second. Okay, okay, 493, 800 it should be. Then why did it calculate it to be 43 pieces, 11,000? Okay, 500 per piece. Although it should have calculated automatically. So is there something wrong? That is okay. Except no. Okay, so what's the issue here? I'll open 43 plus 43. I think there is some defect in the question, and yeah, so it is an intentional defect, because I wanted it to I wanted to make our own question, so that we can learn by making our own questions. Okay, and yeah, so it's 494 500. How to change it? Hence, to bring it to 493 800, this should be 11,483.72. 11,483.72 per piece. Okay, let us accept this tally correction. Okay, so there was a clerical mistake in Excel. Okay, not in Tally. Tally calculates correct formulas only. Okay, so this right here, as you can see, there is no difference in opening balance, hence this is tallied. Okay, so why did we go through all this fuzz and made all those wrong entries and made all those, yeah, clerical errors? Because I'll tell you, because this is right here accounting. Okay, accounting. Okay, accounting equal to programming. Okay, or you can just say coding. So most of the time that is utilized in accounting is not in accounting, but it is to match the debit versus the credit balance. Okay, so 90% of companies have these differences in their figures in balance sheet, and this is what accountants do most of the times. And as in coding there are bugs, hence the most of the time goes in removing these bugs. So you can imagine that differences as a bug, and most of the companies have those bugs, and most of the accountants invest their time in removing those bugs because one has to check from the scratch. And yeah, there are lots of freelancing jobs also online that is just to tally a balance sheet, that is equalize a balance sheet. Okay, so yeah, we are done with it, and now let's move towards the next part of the question, which says about purchasing, and we will carry it in the next lecture. Okay, so yeah, see you.